So Brandon, you know, me call around pon the ends because my day I try to figure out in myself, you know. I wonder if Brandon even know for use a strap. So that's why I call back around pon the ends to figure out if you know what to do. If and when the time presents itself.
No, say everybody always underestimate me still in here, see? But now watch no face, man, my general, man. Me have that lack a certain way, man. You know, for worry head about nothing. Not because me in a street like enough, man, and I bleach a night time with strap, you know. That no means I don't know how for fire strap. In fact, me I one of the smoothest youth them when it come on to fire in a strap. When I need to see me in action.
Alright, Mr. Smooth. Me hear you. I hope when the opportunity present itself, you know, miss none at all. Cause me just call you over here still to make sure so you understand the dynamics of operating the matic still, is it? And make sure so anyway you lock it lock properly, you know. Because word in the streets, so people start inform on you already. So me don't know what go on over there, how you even make nobody know nothing. But you don't know, say as the general over here, so nigga hear everything. So word in the streets, the police chuck you down and search you up and I look the gun. So me no know who you're telling, Brandon, but make sure some my thing no miss up, you know. Cause anyhow my thing miss up, me no know how you gonna deal with that. Cause it's either you have to go pay for it financially, or you have to go pay for it with your life. And that me I make you know, so your streets run. You can't miss up my strap.
I have one question for you ask you. Do you love me?
Okay, and a question that you ask my mommy if me love you. Of course me love you. You're my mother and a mommy. And you give me birth, you know. And you give me life. So you talk about mommy. Of course me love you.
Then my son, if you really love me like how you say you love me, why you do this to me? Why you do this to me, Brandon?
We are talk about mommy. What me I do to you? Mommy, we are talk about. Me don't even know where I come off with right, you know. What me do to you, mommy? Me not do nothing.
Alright, Brandon, like how you say you not hurt me and you love me. Explain what is that in that fake stack of books that you have over there. Explain what is inside those books.
Judge God. Mommy, me don't even know what to say to you about that, you know. Yeah, man, me general, man. I say, I would, man, me have that lock, man. Bishpa me lock that, not even you can find it on a year thing. I have that well lock up, man. Don't worry yourself, man. That's safe.
Well, alright. As long as I say everything is everything, I say I would then, man. I say 40, man. I go walk in at the house, I go all like a sleep, and I say, I don't know. We'll link up in the street. Bless up yourself. What would I go over back pan your black the youth?
Yeah, man, me general, man. I say 40, man. Me I make a charge go back pan my black as it. Bless up. Yo, country, everything good. Just go and bless up yourself in a youth. Now walk, go back pan my black, you know. So you don't know. See you in the streets as it. Bless up.
Yeah, man, Brandon, go and bless up yourself, man. Just go and look out to your island time and make a step go back on your black as it. Bless up. Both bless up yourself, country. Bless up yourself, country, no? Watch this, man. As you step go down the road a little bit more, me I make another anonymous call upon you and make the squad of them come dig you down. I know you must have a strap on you right, you know? And I hope that the squad of them dig you down and find it and gun you down and show you what time it is. Furthermore, anytime Shelly come on the block, me know say Shelly is a girl who love chat her mouth. Now if you find a way if you squeeze her and make sure know what's your plan. But speaking about this and speaking about that, I wonder if me can get a link on my view and on the spot.
You know, Star, I want the greatest feeling this way ever reach home. The amount of things you reach me in the evening, your police joke me down, make me piss my pants, me. I tell you the man, them deal with me away. As so bad man life did said. I don't want this to myself, but John O. Star, me have to be a man and be true to my word. Because I promise Jigo a thing, so me have to just follow through. No, I promise my mother say me not go pick it up in a boat. What me have to do? I have to just do what me have to do, Star. Furthermore, me need to figure out which part of that strap I really waste still, you know. I think about pan the house that me I wonder if me could have find a little way for put it in a little part on the house that when nobody now got to pre. Yeah, man. That sound like a plan. But well on. Me never call Rachel for check up on her star. Chano star. Me know she must be over her yard. I wonder how me never call her and check on her if she reach home. Chaja God. Let me give Rachel a ring right, you know.
Hey, Brandon, how are you?
You know, so I go to Rachel, I just check up on you still to make sure so you make it home safe and everything is alright.
Aw, how sweet of you, Brandon. Yes, I'm okay, and I made it home safe and already in the bed.
You know, so I not too long reach in the house too. Because I did have to make a one stop and link a one bridge and around the road, so I not too long jump in a my crib here. So I gotta just go grab a one shower real quick and head to bed to just the same. So just go and enjoy the rest of your night, man, and I will definitely speak with you in the morning. Hope you sleep well and dream about me.
Dream about you, Brandon? I sure will after that wonderful evening with you. What girl wouldn't?
The pleasure was all mine, still in Rachel, for have you gracing my presence with your beautiful face. Trust and believe, man, the pleasure was all mine. I definitely did enjoy myself with you and hope to see you very soon again.
Oh, yeah, Brandon, sure. We'll definitely see each other soon. Have a good night.
Make me walk go to the door, I go look on that gutter part of the whole stop there. Me I wonder if I could have prized up the gutter and rest it underneath it and then just fit it back down perfectly. I wonder if that could have worked. Because I can't keep it in the house, because my mother gotta come back over here, come see it again, and Jano style, I can't manage mommy and fear a whole heap of talkings and stress. And furthermore, police come juke me down, so them might come running into. So I have to make sure so I hide it off a little way where nobody want to find it. So yeah, right that's how I gotta put it, man. Right there, so.
Yo, Tuggy, where you there? Link me up right now, youth.
Yeah, me general, no see a word, me I come link you in a 5 minutes. 5 minutes, me there your foot, me G.
Yo, Tuggy, you remember what me did tell us this morning, so if I round up the man, them and make sure so everybody ready by a certain time in our night so we can go make the step go around a Brandon, go dig down in place to see if him have the matic.
Yeah, man, me G, man, what you talk about, man, me G, man. From you say the word, man, I right away me get that maths up, man. What you say, my God? Everything capacity, man, my G. Everything ready. Ready up and ready for action. I just you fi say the word.
Make sure so you strap up all I man them to in a car when time we make the step go over Brandon yard, you know. Any play can make we can buck up in a police and we have to just defend it and take over back you see it. Even though Brandon is a big idiot still, you know, but a big idiot with a strap. Dangerous. So we have to prepare for any little thing. So make sure so you strap up the man them and give the man them a good decent argument so them fully aware about what I go on and where we are go about.
Yeah, man, me G, man, I say a word, man. Yeah, man, me G, I say a word.
Just make sure so you keep your phone up and active, you know, Tuggy. I gotta give you a link probably about 2 o'clock in the morning, them time the boy fast asleep and I expect nothing like this. And in the 2 o'clock too, nothing too tough now, go on pan the black right now, so the police them now go too out so late. Only when time things are going, me see them in the street, so me know so by them time the squad them draw off the street to Dana station and relax. So a free flow, free walk away, but I don't know, we still have to keep our eye them open, cause anything can go on. So may I shout a little bit from this, so just make sure again, youth, keep your phone active.
Alright, my boss, man. No say 40 man phone up and active. May I keep that right side of me. No say a old man, my G, man, as you ring the answer.
Country, you know, so may I come over the ends right, and also make sure so you stand up on the front for meet me, and come in and them boy that do me nothing. You me come from over city, so make sure so you out there, yeah?
Yeah, man, Shelly, man. Me I got there up on the front, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Me there, man, and the ends well lock and secure as it, baby. Don't worry yourself, man. Just come in.
Alright, country, me dip on my way, yeah?
Yo, girl Shelly, you thick in a girl, you thick like a pot of cold caramel purge, you know, when time caramel purge, you well cold and thick up in a pot, girl. I saw you thick. Church of God, gather low. Go the night, yeah.
You're full of argumenty, country. You just want to swell up my head in the evening, yes, sir. But me I hold my med still, you can't get up in my head, country. You can't get up in my head. Cause I just know, say, I'll just the body alone, you love one of me.
And what you say, man, Shelly, a long time I pray, you know, Shelly, for we in a 7th grade high school, me like, you know, for you just start get cock up round the back and you start push out a little titty them. Long time I pray, man, what you talk about? I true you never want me through them time there be a big man alone you want cause my little lunch money couldn't do nothing at all for you. I just bag juice and probably 2 little cheese chicks and cheese crunches me could have give you. And I know say yeah girl we want your big box food in a school and thing. So be a big man you usually pray. But see what you know still, never too late for your shower or rain car right and I want me and you go lock in for the rest of the night on the ends, you see it.
Fear mouth way too sweet, country. Anyway, come, make we go round pa hands and now come on and go lie down.
Jano star, you know, Shelly, if you're a big woman, we have youth and thing, you know, me can tell her this in a girl, your belly. God, Jano star, Shelly. You always pass through and make sure, say, yo, the youth sort out the right way. But Shelly, you know the youth we come from over here, place that we them call Brandon, the little youth that were here, say, tuggy, them shut up what they and the police, them did have a slap where youth name, Shotfoot. That youth there. You remember him, Brandon? All of we used to do school together, man. You remember that youth there?
Yeah, man, so I must know Brandon, man. Then the whole when I grew up together, man, now we are talking about little nerdy Brandon. Oh my. I'm sorry for you both what happened to him still, cause Brandon and a youth one mix up and yet still then shut him up. You see what I talk about? Anybody can get it anytime, anywhere in the ghetto. It just really sad for see how then shut up a youth like Brandon with no business in and no farmer badness. But we here said the police them did end up slap a Shotfoot still. So, me not know. So what I go on with Brandon?
So you know, see a little tweety bird make me know see upon my black and how he must start par from what he hear. Yeah man, may I get to understand say my plan a revenge for Badadan and Tuggy. Furthermore, Brandon, all of us chop too. So you know, say, you have to watch yourself when time you're deep on the ground still, you know, me glad. Tell her this true, me and you get back in together, you know. So you can watch yourself and keep the youth them off the street. So you don't know, just go and hold that still and just go and look out and you them one time you pray the streets, that's it.
What? What you say? Brandon? No, sir. Me not believe that. Nothing can go, sir. Brandon a simple tan. Brandon get himself mixed up in a nothing like that. Not a Brandon. No, man. I feel like I hear this wrong.
No, man, Shelly, man, what you talk about, man? That I chop, man. Trust and believe, man. That I chop right now in the streets.
Good night, Sister Punsy, alright? You know, say from what day I'm a figure you a call though. From the incident that happened around your yard, so with the police, them a run through your yard and fire up beer shot, and then my son get shot from him friend him, and Shotfoot end up lose him life. All of we go and just distract me from giving you a call. But now I just a check up on you to see if you're alright. You're good?
You know, me alright, you know, sister. Me alright. Me there in the house, I just sit down on the couch. I watch some YouTube. You know me whole, so me can't go out the road to find out what I go on. So me will just watch my little YouTube and listen to On The Spot. And me will listen to My View or Popeyes, and then them will tell me exactly what I go on. TV and CV, them not much use again still, you know, because them not talk the real things, them like them, man, yeah. So I just sit down more time when time and I have nothing else for doing at the house. And I just catch up on my little YouTube to see what I go on in our country. But more than that, me alright, man. Me there go and take it easy.
You know, me never know say you watch them thing that you watch On The Spot and My View and Popeyes. Yeah, man, I'm my favorite YouTubers, them the picture. Them really know exactly what go on in the country and then keep we up to date it for real. I watch them 2 more times. One time I dey woman I relax. Me just sit down and me just watch everything one time. Because them say we feel like and subscribe. So that's why some of the time I will send it to me other like a family them so they can watch and see what I go on in Jamaica too. Them alright, true. You're right. Them nice.
But wait, my church sister. No, your son face this messy day up on My View TV. And My Views me there watch. I know your son this. Put your phone close to your ears more and you listen to what My View say about your son. Lord Jesus, Brandon, mighty God of Daniel, sister. Are your son upon My View TVs?
Lord Jesus, Miss Punsy, I chew your attack. I really chew your attack, Miss Punsy. No, sir, nothing can go so. Miss Punsy, me will talk to you a little more. Miss Punsy, make me talk to you a little more. Me go turn on the TV, no one go look for see if I really my son upon My Views. No, sir. They don't got time them the man to carry out anybody, you know, is either them turn criminal or then lose their life. Jesus Christ, me can't manage. Sister Punsy, make me talk back to you a little bit after this. Now I go turn on the TV and watch to see where I go on myself.
Alright, sister, alright. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, my sister. Take it easy. Just go and go watch what we talk later, yeah?
Nobody now gonna tell you this, but me tell you something. You see, I have something to tell you. You are more than your doubts, more than the role you play, and more than the expectation placed upon you. You carry strength in your silence and grace in your chaos. Even when no one claps, guess what? You still rise. And that makes you, and you unstoppable. Why go on, my people? Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing alright. Yet another morning, me get up and find myself alive. Every day above ground is a blessing. Awesome it is to be amongst the living. And surely, not amongst the dead. Anytime the youth them decide say them don't want to listen, a gunshot them are gonna get. Either police are gonna shot them or bad man are gonna shot them. Then they say, go on the other day. Police have a slap a shot foot the other day over city, you know. Him, tuggy. And Dan decide, say what your badness them sign up for. And them go so, boom. And go shoot Brandon. Right now. Brandon a plan to pick up badness. Brandon, you go do to leave badness alone. Else you go dead. Brandon, don't make a call any name again, you know. Brandon, leave badness alone. You never sign up for this. But if you want to pick it up, guess you go on power go on. You get bullet.